Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Monzo account. Let's begin. So if you go to the Monzo.com website, you are going to go to the help section, then the payments option. So payments, getting started, making a cash deposit. So it says here, you can pay cash into your Monzo accounts at any UK PayPoint or post office. So here at a PayPoint, go to a shop with the PayPoint logo, tell them you'd like to pay cash into your Monzo account and how much. Give them your card and the cash. They'll swipe your card and give it back with a receipt. And please make sure that you receive your receipt every time when you go to a PayPoint, because there have been cases where people do not get a receipt and then it causes problems later on. Your deposit will take around 10 minutes to show in your account. At the post office, go to any post office. Tell them you'd like to pay cash into your Monzo account and how much. Give them the cash. They'll ask you to insert your card into the card reader and follow the instructions on the screen. You won't need to enter your PIN. Now lastly, it says here, your deposit should appear in your account immediately. We'll charge you £1 for each deposit. This helps cover the charges we have to pay to PayPoint and the post office.